Okay, now we will move on to the order of real numbers. All real numbers can be represented on the number line. So let's say here we have the number line where the numbers are all arranged in ascending orders from left to right. So there are a few types of numbers that we have already learned in this example here. Now we will see about the open, closed and half open intervals. So for your information, open interval is denoted by using the round bracket. The closed intervals is denoted by the square bracket, and the half open intervals are denoted by the, so we have the first one square and round, or the other way around, the round first and then we have the square bracket. Okay, for example, here we have in interval notation, we have the closed interval from A to B. So both at the end of A, before A, we have the square bracket, and also after B, we have the square bracket. So for the number line representations we have here, so we have from A to B, and we will represent the closed interval by using the then circle. So this is the number line representation. So then circle at A and another then circle at B, then we connect the line together. We can also write the inequality symbol for this interval. So we have x here is a value between A and B, where x is greater than or equal A and less than or equal B. The next one we have here is the open interval from A to B. Okay, so for the number line representation, we have here from A to B, and we will represent the open interval by using the empty circles. So we have empty circles at A, another empty circle at B, and we connect the two dots, the two circles. In inequality symbol, we write this as x is a value between A and B, where x is greater than A and less than B. Let's say we have half open intervals, so from A to infinity. So as for the number line representation, we have from A to the right. Okay, so from A to infinity. So infinity here is actually an infinite values. So we represent the infinities always in or round bracket right here. So we have from A to the right. As for the inequality symbol, we have x is greater than or equal to. So basically your values of x is over here. Let's look at example 2. We have here, express each of the following intervals on the number line and write them in inequality notations. Okay, the first one we have from negative infinity to 7. So again, look at the bracket that we use for negative infinity. So it's a round bracket. Okay, so in inequality notation, basically your value of x is at the left of 7. So basically x is less than or equal 7. The next one here we have the closed intervals from 4 to 12. So x is a value between 4 and 12, where x is greater than equal 4 and less than equal 12. Okay, the next one we have here is from -6 to 2. So please be careful with the notation of the brackets. So we have x is greater than equal -6, greater than or equal, and less than. Okay, and the last one we have from 15 to infinity. So it means here that you have your x is greater than or equal, see the bracket, then 15. Okay, now we will move on to the intersection and union of two or more intervals. So the first one, I would like to introduce the symbol for intersection. So basically, intersection is denoted by using this symbol, and as for the union is denoted by using this symbol. I am sure all of you are familiar with this symbol. Okay, if we have A, B, and C, the three intervals as shown, then how about the union of A and B? So the notation that we use here is A union B. So we will draw the number line. So A is from 0 to 3. Let's say this is 0 and this is 3. From 0 to 3. Empty circle at 0, then circle at 3. Okay, and B we have from -4. So let's say somewhere here is -4 until 2. From -4 until 2, both of them are in empty circles. So A union B is basically everything that has line. So A union B is equals to from -4 until 3. So -4 is open, so round bracket, and 3 is close square bracket. Okay, then how about B intersect C? So again, we will draw our number line. So from B we have -4 until 2, so somewhere here. So from -4 until 2, both open, and we have -1 somewhere here and 5. So from -1 until 5, both then circle. Okay, then what we are looking for here is the intersection. So intersect where we have the common values. So basically B intersect C is from -1 until 2, where -1 is closed, so we represent by using the square bracket, and 2 is open, so we use the round bracket. Okay, now we have again A, B, and C, the same interval. So how about A union B union C? So now we have 3 intervals, and we are going to find the union of them. So the first thing to do is basically we arrange our numbers in ascending orders. We have -4, -1, 0, 3, and 5. So the first one is 0, 3. 3 is tens, and the second one we have -4 until 2, both open, and then we have from -1 until 5, both tens. Okay, so now we are looking for the intersection. So as long as there are lines, so we will take that interval for the values. So we have from -4 until 5, where -4 is open, so round bracket, and 5 is closed, so square bracket. Okay, the next thing to do is to find the intersection of them. So basically, since A, B, and C, they are just the same interval as the previous one, so what we can do here is that we just sort out the intersections of them. So we can see here the three lines intersect at from 0 until 2. So basically here we have from 0 until 2, just like that. And 0 here we have open interval, so round bracket, and 2 also open interval, round bracket again. Now let's look at example number 3. By using the number lines, simplify each of the following. So we have here from 0 to 4 intersect with 3 until infinity. Okay, so this is our number line. Let's say this is 0. Make sure you arrange your number in ascending orders. That is very important. So from 0 until 4, 0 is open, 4 is closed, so 10, so right there. And we have from 3 to infinity, means 3 to the right and 3 is 10. So we are looking for the intersection. So the lines intersect at from 3 until 4, 3 is closed, 4 also closed. So both of them, we are going to use the round bracket. Okay, the next one, we have from negative 8 to 4, union with 3 until infinity again. From negative 8 until 4, negative 8 is closed, 4 also closed, and then we have here from 3 to the right again. But now our 3 here is open interval. So we are looking for the union. Union is basically everything that has line. Okay, so the union of the two intervals is from negative 8 until infinity. So round bracket, and 8 here, negative 8 here is closed. The next one here we have from negative infinity until 5, union with negative 2 until infinity. So negative 2 here is in square bracket. Okay, again arrange numbers in ascending orders. So we have from negative infinity until 5. So now our arrow is to the from negative 2 until infinity. So we have close interval at negative 2. And we are looking for the union. Again, union is basically everything that has lines. So for this one, we have from negative infinity until infinity. Okay, so this is the conclusion over what we have for 1.1. 1.1 is basically all about the real numbers. We have already learned about the definition of numbers, where we have the natural numbers, the whole numbers, the integers, the rational numbers, and also the irrational numbers. And we have learned about the relationship of number sets. And we have learned about the order of real numbers, and finally about the intersection and union. That's all. Thank you.